Hi, my name is Dinesh Khalatkar. I'm the president and CEO of EQ Technologic. Our company is, in short, is called EQ. What we do, we focus on the industrial domain customers in aerospace defense, automotive, high-tech, shipbuilding industries, and we do variety of things for them. Well, some of those things are actually connecting various of their applications to one another, so that the data can flow seamlessly across those applications, as well as we are able to provide actionable insight across the data that is coming from these applications. Our mantra is digital backbone, actionable insight. Essentially, we build a digital backbone for these companies, and the various applications like ERP, PLM, manufacturing execution systems, ALM applications, they come onto that backbone and able to talk to each other seamlessly. So data flows across these applications and they get integrated. This is some of the hardest problems our customers face, and we believe that we solve this problem far more efficiently than anything else that's out there. Once the data is connected like that, we are able to reach out into that data and create cubes of that data. That's where the name of our platform, eCube, came into existence. And we are able to actually get actionable insight from that data. So data can come from an ERP system, a relational database, Excel. So we are able to mash that data together, do everything in memory far more efficiently than anything else that's out there. We have more than 250 customers around the world. They are across 24 countries. That's what we do, and we just simply deliver for our customers. One of the things I want to talk to you about is EQ itself. So EQ stands for emotional quotient, and what drives us basically in the company, in my words, they are called 4 E's and a P, and that 4 E's and a P stand for energy, energize, age, and ability to execute, and the P stands for passion. If you look around our company, whether you are in our offices in Pune, India, or in Costa Mesa, California, or in Birmingham, UK, you will see a lot of passionate people. They are driven to actually deliver innovative solutions for our customers. Our customers will vouch for that. And this entire philosophy of 4 E's and a P is gotten embodied into our name called EQ, emotional quotient. So when people come into the company, they have amazing time. They are able to achieve their objectives at a personal level, at a group level, as well as when you look at it from a customer standpoint. So come look around, look at our websites, look at some of the videos, and get to know more about EQ. We believe we do amazing things in our company. Thank you.